Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on automatic update on your iPhone device. To turn on automatic update, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings. So go to settings. Once you are in your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So once you tap on general, on here I want you to tap on software update. Once you tap on software update, it will show you this. You can see mine is turned off. As you can see, this is off. You can see automatic updates off. So because you want to turn this on, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, I want you to tap on this, turn this on. So let's go back and check if this is on. As you can see, automatic updates is now on. What this means is that whenever Apple releases a new iOS device, once your update is turned on, your automatic update is turned on, you don't necessarily need to come here and turn this on again. To update again, your iPhone will be updated to the latest iOS device immediately without any manual intervention. But when this is turned off, that means whenever Apple releases a new iOS device, iOS version, you will need to come here manually and update your iPhone to the latest iOS device. That's just the difference between the two. One needs manual intervention and the other one does not need any intervention. You are sure of it that your iPhone is always up to date because your automatic update is always on. So guys, this is just the difference between the two. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.